Yeah, boy. No, I'm kidding. That's a crazy way to start a video. And we're up. Huh?
So why am I Caesar really likes you?
Aww.
It's always like in your stories that I post of you.
Hell yeah, let's go. Dude's a homie. Just gotta pop this bitch out. Don't do as I do, but do.
Okay, well, we might need a breaker part.
Is the car rocking? Maybe I should close the door.
But you never know, though.
You know, I'm working on such a nice car right now, I'm scared. You're gonna feed me after. Some guy hit me up on Instagram and was like, do you think you could do a muffler delete on my 2020 Toyota Supra? I literally told him, I said, no. You can buy an exhaust for it, a bolt-on exhaust for it.
Oh yeah.
Like, I'm not touching you. Bro, if you can afford a fucking Toyota Supra,
you can afford an exhaust.
you can go and get an exhaust.
Yeah, at least go get like a, it's not Timu. What's the actual brand? Who makes the single exits?
Tome.
Tome. Timu. Yeah, they're like $1,000. 1,100. I don't know, something like that.
I mean,
And you can get a titanium one for like 1,400 if you want single exit. Might be my new favorite angle. Oh.
It's pretty easy.
Yee. I know I'm out of shape because I'm out of breath from running up and down my own stairs.
We're taking this whole inner fender out, right?
I don't think so. I think just the screws off.
Well, I have all of the little screws on this side off.
What size are those?
10.
I'm trying to find an outlet that works for you. Oh, here you go. Bring that ass here. That is what he says.
That is what he says.
I was just a charger, babe.
After we get those two, there's just 4 more underneath the bumper, and that's it.
Oh, I got all the room I need to get this up in here. There we go.
All this for taillights.
Well, like my Z, we literally just pop open the trunk, it's 3 bolts. We're like right there.
Can't you steal Porsche headlights with the by flipping the lever?
Yeah, I think so. All right, that one's out.
At least you're not stealing these, that's for sure.
Yeah, seriously.
You'd have to steal the car. Please don't.
Please don't.
So it's this one right here, and that one right there.
Okay.
Do you want a shirt, Logan?
It was already dirty from doing the wheels.
I can go look.
Yes, please.
Give a collar shirt. That looked like you work at like a parts store. Ah! What the fuck did I cut myself?
I almost have this fucking Supra bumper off.
No, you don't. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, you have to take the whole. Now I actually look like I work on Supras.
Dude. I grabbed the shirt. I was like, he looks like he works at a parts store.
So right now I'm just trying to push down the side.
Whoa, fuck.
There it is.
All right, let me get over there and hold that side. That spooked the shit out of me. Woo! We have to hold it because there's wires. We can't let the wires rip. Oh, don't let it dent. Yes, sir. He's got it.
Alright.
Alright.
Now we gotta unplug cables.
Yep. Finally fucking off, though. Dude, this is kind of cool. All the heat shielding. What and where?
It's just in between the battery. I can get it.
Did you get it?
Did you get it?
All right.
Oh, sorry.
The fuck is that? Hello.
My boy got that shit.
This is the craziest taillight job I've ever done in my life. And then we'll get a final video.
He's an asshole.
Okay.
Ow.
I did nothing.
Oh, that's
I spoke too soon. I was like, oh shit.
Let's go.
Speed on the shit.
That's pretty dope. Thank you.
This guy.
Yes, you need some help?
Will you plug that bottom one in? Yeah, now we just need to get a shot. Shot, I don't have to work on the filler.
shots? I thought he said shots.
So what time would you say we realistically started? Was it 6, 6:30? 6:30?
Like 6:30.
And it's 8? Hour and a half?
You look Python as fuck right now, fool. Just stand right there. I'm gonna take a picture and send this shit throughout. No, tuck your shirt back in just a little bit, like no, just a little bit. Just show the belt. Yeah, right there. BB belt.
BBL.
Put it down just a little bit. The light. Wait, move your hand. Up.
I hate you.
Bro, he looks like. Who wants to fight?
You? Apparently.
Yeah, look you. Oh.
Started dog shaking.
Sword fight.
Should have been
Dog shaking.
should have been him on the highway the other day.
Oh. Insert highway clip. Oh my god.
Super smart.
You're you should just slow. I'm sorry. It's like right on the verge of being uploaded.
Quick shout out to Stogie Slides for helping me out on the video. That is the man Logan right there with the shirt up. Go follow him on Instagram. Appreciate it, man.
What the fuck?